Hi everyone! Welcome to my vlog. Another video, another panty haul. So for today's video, I have a new hair bench. Hair bench, ayan, panties. So of course guys, pack ganun. Hair bench, so let's do this. Pakita ko sa inyo guys, it's cutie color. Ayan, there is pink. Ayan. Pink and this one. Ayan. So this is like skin tone. So, ganito siya guys. Hair bench siya. Large. Okay. Unahin muna natin to. Okay. This is large guys. Ayan. So, may video na ako nung nakaraan but in different color. Okay. This one. Please do subscribe to my channel if you are new here and comment below guys. So, I can read your comment. Then, I will respond. Okay. Thank you. So, ito siya. Large siya. This is large and then ganito siya guys sa loob. Pack. O diba? Ganito siya sa loob. And then, ano siya? Maganda yung kanyang tela guys. I really like it. And then, this is the normal panty. Oh, this is the normal panty. I wish this is fit to me. Okay? So, ganito siya. Ayan. Maganda yung quality niya. Pack. And then, ganun naman yung isa. Let's show this one. This one also, ayan. So, nung binili ko sila, isang pack niya siya. Pero, I really like the quality also, guys. Oo, ayan. Large din siya. Okay. Large din siya, guys. And then, ganito siya sa loob. Diba? Yun. Maganda talaga siya. I really like it. So, ang init, guys. Let's, this one. Let's wear this. Ayan. Ganito siya, oh. Diba? Ganito siya. Pack, ganun. Or ayan siya guys. So, suot na natin to para naman suot na natin siya guys kasi excited na ako. Parang wag na tayong patagal-tagal. Basta ganito yung kanyang double siya guys. So, kung babakat man yan, try. It's fine. Okay? So, let's go and wear this. So, guys, ito yung pink. Ayan. It's okay naman siya guys. She is okay naman, ganyan. Pero para sa akin is hindi ko gusto yung ganito guys na very fit to me. Ayan. Parang kanid mo pa itaas. Ganun. Okay naman yung quality niya. Then, I like also the colors. Maybe maliit lang sa akin. Konti. Like, small to me. Yeah, it should be extra large because this one is large. Ayan. Ganito siya. Pack. Ching! Ayan siya guys. Ayan yung kami ko nakalabas na. Maliit siya guys. Maliit siya. So guys, ayan na nga. This one is the second one. Small din siya sa akin guys. Kahit large na siya. So, ito siya guys. Kailangan mo pang itaas. Ayan. Kailangan gusto ko kasi nakataas. Ayan, ganyan siya. Maganda naman yung kanyang, guys. Maganda naman yung kanyang fitting. Sobrang maliit lang talaga siya sa akin. So small. Ayan, ganyan guys. Ayan, ganito rin dito guys ha. Ayan. Maliit siya guys. Okay. So, which one is better? The pink one or this one? This is kasi, color? Skin tone siya, guys. Ayan. Thank you for watching, guys.